Okay, so today let's talk about cleansing and some simple everyday life magic. Hi, I am Ji Sifu, and of course to my disciple Ji Si Jun from Tia lineage, and I practice Taoism. This channel is for my disciples mostly, but if you would like to learn, you can always go to my website, tiadragon.com, and get ordained. So this is Taoist magic for everyday life. Today we're talking about cleansing. So I need to talk about this word first. What do we mean by cleansing? Okay, so we talk about this all the time. Ching jing, ching jing. Okay, it's Cantonese. Ching jing. The word ching means to clear. So if you have like water in the sky, it clears, it comes down as rain. If I have people in the room, I clear them out of the room, they get out the door, now it's cleared. So if you have like um, good stuff, you can clear from, well, for example, the magic power from the altar, you clear it into your body. You can that will be, you know, clearing, right? You can also cleanse yourself by clearing the bad stuff out of yourself. Okay, so it's a way of moving things forward to another place. Purifying, jing, is purifying, meaning like if um, let's say my energy color is orange. By purifying, I will remove anything else and only the orange can stay. But you can also get it this way. I will only keep all the energies that is mine and good for me. Anything that is not good, not mine, I don't want it, right? It needs to be gone. And that's purification. So every day we must understand that there are always some bad energies, or we can say the chi, right? We call that in general the evil, the yi crap, right? So yi it stands for evil. So we always say, oh, there's yi crap, right? When there's yi crap, you need to clean them off. When you go outside and interact with people, put your butt on the seat of somewhere, you pick up the chi that is left behind by other people. They hand you money, you or whatever, and you touch it, you will pick up their chi. Sharing things with other people, or maybe like, oh, can you give me that bag? Can you give me this thing? You touch it, I touch it. You know, the chi is stick onto you. So you don't want that chi to follow you all the time. Their chi can be contaminated with ye crap, and you don't want that. So what do? You go home. Usually, we know we get dirty, we go bath, we wash our hands, we wash our face. Now, this is the magic side of washing your hands and washing your face. Very simple. Okay. Now that you know what the cleansing is, okay, so we're going to introduce you two things. One is called a small power, and second is the medium power. Small power is to leave a note so that the God inside you know about the situation. And that is important because when you tell the God to help me clean up later and the God don't even know what are you talking about, like clean up what, right? Now, if you have left a message, the God will know. So leaving a note is very important. You are ordained, you have a heart spell one. Heart spell one connects to a god, which we call the Ling Sum Sifu, or you can call him Sifu as well. So this god inside you is like your advisor, your strategist, that kind of role. So anytime you have something that you want to jot a note, right? You say it to yourself internally, and then, or like you just have a thought of it, and then you stomp the left foot as you think of the heart spell one. So you think of horseback one, stomp left foot one time. That's it. That's more teaching. Very simple, right? Okay, so for example, you go out and there's like a very remarkable moment that you think you'll get dirty. Oh my God, I walk through this place. Everyone is like weird over there. Okay, so immediately stomp the left foot, jot a note. Okay, like that. So if you are worried about anything, you want the God to know of it just in case, jot a note. Okay, very simple. And second is the medium teaching. This one is like the God is inside you. okay, he can interact with anything that is within your range of contact. So if I hold a bag, whoosh, I can work on it. There's a bag on the floor, whoosh, you can work on it. Okay, so it's like your hands, it's like a torch, and you can burn up things. Okay, so we are going to use what we call the Saam law Sun for the Saam law, godly power or divine fire. Okay, so the fire color is reddish and orange. Remember that. So you're going to create this reddish orange color flame. Okay. Now, let's say clean up ourselves. Okay. So how to clean up ourselves? Well, okay. So you put two fingers, short finger, like that. And then you close your eyes, think of harsh spell 0, which call up the god Saam Josie. Okay. And then you stomp the left foot. Now you shake like that as you stomp, right? Ring the bell. And then you spark up the fire like this. So you take a deep breath and then like this, right? So when you go like this, okay, you feel here it's like there's a spark, like bang, a spark of fire, and you create that orange looking fire, okay, like that. So storm, right? Right, 1, 2, 3, right? You roll forward, come back, and then grab and stomp the right foot and ha. When you go ha, right, you imagine that fire bursts outward 360-degree from your body. So it's like it burns outward and kind of like a planet explosion, right? And that will clear everything inside to the outside of you. Okay, let me do one time. Okay, hospital. Right? Like that. That will give you the quick cleansing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, forward, backward, breathe in, and ha. Okay, so if you have like something outside of you and you want to clean up, for example, groceries, bags, and things, stuff that you have, or maybe even cleaning up the seat of whatever train or subway you're about to sit on. So you use your right hand, put this here like that, okay, and then you do the hot spell 0. Close your eyes, think of hot spell 0, and you stomp the right foot, take a deep breath, and you go ho, right? The ho is to exert the power. So here you visualize it's like a bunch of the orange reddish flame, and then you put this and smudge it onto things. You can blow to guide the fire to go on things. So like that. Okay. Now that will clean up the stuff. If you have bags of groceries or whatever you want to clean up, you can clean up like that. Sometimes, if you are having a kid or something, you want to clean them up and make it like a bigger flame. You don't want to use one hand, you want to use two hands, right? So you can go like that and then just do the same thing, harsh spell 0, stomp the left foot, and then go, right? And then just bring up the fire, push it over, and wave. Okay, so okay, wave a few times, and then right? That will wave over the flame, and it will flame up the person and clean up everything. So this way, you can clean up like the outside and all the ye crap on top. Sometimes the ye crap is inside and is harder to clean like that. You'll want to inject it into a drink or something. So let's say I have a cup of water. Okay, you hold the cup of water, right? Use a short finger here, and this one we have to deploy the God into here. So you can go like, for example, harsh spell 0, and you stomp left foot, and then bring out like this. Okay, point, select the God, right? Point here, and then visualize the God goes in. It's kind of like a ball of lava go in, and then stomp the right foot, and then let them drink it. Okay, So that way you made that water, they drink it, the God goes in, and it works itself inside and combust the evil. So these things are very, very easy to do, and you should be doing it. Sometimes, like we are outside, we need a tool because we don't want to like ha hoo, and then in the public like that. You can have a tool like a fan, right? You can like have a fan as the magic tool, and then you just kind of stomp the hot bell, open the fan, and use the fan to fan the flame on there. The fan can be cultivated as well, so it become like a magic tool. Yeah, you can do that, but you need to come into me, ask questions, and learn. So if you want to learn more, remember the legit way is to go online, ask for teachings that are directly transmitted to you, right? You don't just watch a video here and then pretend you know, okay? You come to me and ask for teachings so that I can deliver that teachings to you. Okay? So whatever you learn here, you show me, I teach you, and now you got the real deal. Okay? Remember, always talk online. There we go. So today, um, your job is to start doing the cleansing and make a video and show me how you do it for real. I'll see you in the next one. And for those of you, if you're not in the lineage, go to tenyetdragon.com. You can get ordained there. See you in the next one. Bye bye.